Barber Schmarber, right? Okay, the reason I wanted to talk to you for a second was I'm going in for minor surgery on my shoulder in a couple of weeks from now, on the 7th, I guess. So after that, I'm going to be off the air for a while. So if I disappear for a little while, don't be alarmed. I'll be back. That's all I wanted to let you know. So let's get on with it. Wow, big deal here today. We're going to run it. I'm hoping this is the inaugural run of the Colorado Northwestern N-Scale Railroad. I've been doing a lot of work on it since we last talked. I thought I had it. I had to tip over 2 sections. One nice thing about this is I can isolate sections and I can determine where a problem is down to the section by applying power to each section and disconnecting it from its adjacent sections. So that actually works out kind of handy when you have an issue. And I had one or two that I had a difficult time trying to solve. It eventually came down to a turnout that I've now thrown away, and I've replaced it with a straight piece of track because I just couldn't get it to work. I've ordered a couple new ones, and when they arrive, I will install them. I think I want to move that particular turnout anyway. So everything will work out just fine. I had a punch list. Probably can't see that. There were 3 items on it. I worked through those, and then I could start the shakedown. I started the shakedown run yesterday. I ran into a problem at that turnout that I told you about, and I worked on it again this morning. This is Saturday morning, and the turnout was just no good. There's just no 2 ways about it. Pulled it out, replaced it with a straight piece of track. And if we can see it, I don't know if we can or not. It's right here. Anyway, that no longer is a turnout. That is a straight track right on through. But it's just loosely in there, so when I get the point, when I get the turnout, I can install it. The other thing I wanted to mention, I've created, there may be more to it as I collect more things. Light's not very good here. And then it starts with all the track, the point numbers and where they are connected to the connectors between sections. Connector 1 through 24, and it tells you what they are. Well, let's get on with it. Let's see if this darn thing's going to run around the layout. This section of track over here, I said I wouldn't talk over a locomotive, but here I am doing it. From here to here is not done yet. I haven't started it. I'm going to do it, but I wanted to do it while I have trains running. It's a little bit more fun, you know, to have trains running while you're working on it, or when you're done working on it, to be able to, you know, run a train. Well, there we go. You can finally make loops. That is an F3, an EMD, F3A, and F3B. The sound is in the B unit, and the A unit simply drives. So they both drive, but the sound is in the B unit. I added a couple more cattle cars to see if it could pull it. Yeah. As long as everything's on the track. Start that sequence a little early. Riding on the high rail. The Colorado Northwestern N-Scale Railroad is in business again. Yahoo! Well, that's all I got time for now. I need to get to work and get the rest of this layout done. But you saw it. We got trains running.